Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Lexus GX 460. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, a headlight cleaning system, illuminated running boards, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power front seats. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 6. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.